Hi everyone! So today it's another harvest day in our small backyard. Everything is slowing down now here in the garden and autumn is coming in few days. There are still many more vegetables to be harvested and this little garden is just keep giving. I couldn't believe how much tomatoes that I have still in the garden and now I have to harvest it and give it away. Please come along with me as I harvest in our small backyard garden. This is the last beefsteak tomato that I'm going to harvest for this season. It's been so productive, I have saved some already in the freezer to use all through the winter, and I also saved some seeds. These tomato here are producing so much all through the season and it just never stops. This is a new variety of tomato here in our garden and I am already saving the seeds for the next year. This is great for snackings and I really like the color of it. So I have yellow color, there's orange as well and red. Look at this tiny tomato. And there's so much in here. Wow. We just harvested these long yard beans couple days ago And I'm so surprised. Today I have so many to harvest again. As you see in this white arbor, I have the long-eared beans together with the indeterminate tomatoes, which is the sweet melon tomatoes, and they are growing together beautifully. I can't reach it. Oh my goodness, they're too high for me. Let's see if this is gonna work. Oh, perfect. Look at that. There you go. Oh wow, see when it's overripe, it turns yellow and you can see the seeds, the red color. So we'll just open up and then it spit the seeds out. See, that one's overripe as well. Oh, look at this! My lemon cucumber! Oh, too bad. I did not notice this, so maybe I'll just harvest it and collect the seeds soon. I'll leave it for now. Whoa! Look! So this is my volunteer squash and I'm really excited because it has given me a squash. Well, let's see. Look. Whoa, look at this. I have a squash. Wow. So yeah, I did not plant the squash. It grew by itself and I just left it. And now look at this. And there's another one right here. Look, there's another one. I'm not gonna harvest this right now. It's still pretty small. Yeah, I wrap it as well on this little net to protect it. But yeah, I have a squash. Whoa. So this is what happened if you don't harvest it on the time. Oh, I'm not gonna have that. This hot pepper is new variety in the garden. It was given to me as well by my friend, and I'm just not sure what's the name of it. So I am excited to try this. Hi everyone, so this is what I harvest today. I did not expect this. We have rain yesterday the whole night, and so I decided to step outside and just check what's going on, and this is what I got. So this is the squash that I have in the garden, volunteer squash, so I'm very happy with this one. The string beans, look how much in here and how rich the color of it, deep purple color. And some pool beans. Then I have bear melon, some tomatoes. This is the last tomatoes that we're going to have for the season, and a lot of cherry tomatoes. This is the cherry tomatoes as well, but very tiny. It's like candy. And the hot pepper. Thank you so much for watching, and your support is greatly appreciated. Have a good day. Okay. Forget it. You can do it.